If you're looking for a new way to prepare a classic dish, then keep on watching. Imagine carefully dividing 6 potatoes into 4 pieces each slice representing a canvas, waiting to be transformed by the magic of roasting. Then, the rhythmic sound of chopping 3 onions and 1 carrot fills the kitchen, creating a symphony of textures and aromas that promise to elevate the dish. Meanwhile, 500 grams of meat crackle and sizzle as it cooks in the skillet, its appetizing scent wafting through the air like a culinary overture. Once the meat is cooked through, it is delicately set aside on a plate, taking a brief pause before it reclaims its rightful place as the heart of the dish. As the spotlight shifts to the skillet, the cut potatoes take center stage. Then, enter 50 grams of butter, gracefully embracing the potatoes as they unite with the savory meat, creating a symphony of flavors that beckons with its irresistible aroma. Now, it's time to weave a tapestry of seasoning. A tablespoon of sweet paprika adds a touch of warmth, while fragrant rosemary and bold black pepper infuse the dish with depth. Next, the garlicky essence and a sprinkle of salt join the ensemble, their harmonious blend enhancing the tantalizing aroma. A gentle pour of broth or water unites the ingredients. Enter the vibrant slice of a medium tomato, its crimson hue promising a burst of freshness and color that will enliven the savory symphony. But wait, there's more. 2 tablespoons of cranberries are gently folded into the mix, infusing the dish with a delightful fruity essence that adds a surprising and delightful twist to the culinary narrative. Under the lid, the roast simmers and braises for 10 minutes. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time.